Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audiocast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide, Anindya Banerjee. This week is going to be quite eventful. There are three important central bank meetings. Uske saath there are a number of important economic data which will be released. First up, Bank of Japan kal. Bank of Japan ka meeting will be very important because there is a lot of discussion that BOJ might hint something new about their yield curve control policy. In brief, yield curve control का मतलब ये है कि Bank of Japan tries to keep the long-term interest rates in Japan at under a certain rate. And ये policy को effective करने के लिए what they do is every time the yields threaten to rise higher, they start buying bonds. So it's in a way, it's a conditional QE or quantitative easing which the Bank of Japan is doing, और जिससे कारण we have seen the Japanese yen depreciate significantly against major currencies including the dollar and the rupee. So Bank of Japan ka meeting tomorrow is going to be quite important for yen INR and also for broader markets if they make some major changes in the yield curve control policy. Dusra, the US Fed ka meeting hai, and then we have the Bank of England ka meeting. Now US Fed is not expected to do anything with the rates, and even the BOE is not expected to do anything with the rates, but their rhetoric is, or their stance or the talk will be widely scrutinized to understand what is going to be the path. But as of now, the market is of the opinion that both these central banks have done with their hiking, and the question is when they will start cutting. And that expectation is still that they will hold these rates for longer, because jab tak labor market in US is not cracking, we may see the Fed continue to hold at these levels. US bond yields continue to oscillate between 480 and 5 on the 10-year, and the global equity markets, Asian equity markets are sort of mixed, but slightly you can say risk on mood. Dollar index is marginally high but largely flat. Dollar USD CNH जो है वो भी flat trade हो रहा है. USD INR 83, 26, 27 के आसपास trade कर रहा है in the offshore, but we think that we may see the RBI intervene and bring it down towards 83, 2021 levels by the time that trading starts. This can happen because that's what we have seen in the past as well, but as of now it's trading around 83, 25, 26 levels on the spot reference. Cross currencies mein you can continue to focus for intraday trading opportunities. That is yen, especially in Euro INR and GBP INR. Yen INR can become quite volatile tomorrow. But आज के लिए Euro INR, GBP INR, we'll be updating you about trading opportunities about it through the Telegram channel. But ये दो currency pairs में you can keep on focus as long as USD INR remains this stuck in a range. ये हफ्ता we also have the US jobs report which is going to be important. इसके अलावा भी ISM data है, Chinese PMI hai. We have the Eurozone countries flash CPI, inflation, etc. So it's quite an eventful week. We'll get a lot to trade in the crosses, Euro, GBP and Yen. So we'll keep you posted on those about opportunities. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. Have a fantastic day ahead.